this might be the worst and most heartbreaking incident to happen in 2020 for the teenagers of India, the country I live in. And yes, I got it. Why ban PUBG? Because government claims that it was sending personal data to servers based on other countries, which is against rules, of course. But then I saw a new Indian variant of PUBG called FAU-G, stands for Fearless and United Guards, which is going to be developed by Encore Games team, and brand ambassador would be Akshay Kumar. Now, let's take this as a move of making Made in India initiative and give credits for developing something of our own. Now, I don't know how good the inner experience would be, but then I saw something. A music band called Collison of Innocence had used the same banner from FAU-G in their own song called Today We Rise, released in 2020. Now, basically my proud was turned into shame that the initiative begins with a copied poster, or you may call it banner. So yeah, not a good move at all. So yeah, thumbs up.